Akkam jirtu barattoota? Nagaa keessanii? Egaa yeroon qormaata keessanii isinitti dhiyaateera. Isinis akka shamarree misirroo tokkootti qophooftanii qormaata keessan irratti moo'ichaa fi milkoominaan gara sadarkaa gulantaa barnoota keessaniitti akka dabartaniif GO Lesson 17 Tiyubiin hawwii obbolummaa isiniif qabu isiniif ibsa. Isinis xiiqiidhaan iddoowwan isin hafan viidiyoo kana ilaaluudhaan iddoo qaawwa banaa keessanii akka guuttattan isin yaadachiisa. Yeroo gaarii akka isiniif ta'u gamanumaan isiniif hawwa. Choose the correct answer from the given alternatives. Question number 1. As continental crust made largely of granite, oceanic crust is made up of A. Sedimentary rock, B. Pumice, C. Basalt, D. All are answers. Continental crustiin granite irraa yoo uumame, oceanic crustiin maalirraa uumamaa? Yeroon kun yeroo keessa deebii xumurtanii qophii qormaataadhaaf gochuutti jirtanii waan ta'eedhaaf deebii keessan kan ta'e isa kami? Mee sekondii 2 isiniif kenna. Baay'ee gaariidha. Basalt jettanii continental crustiin granite irraa akkuma uumamu oceanic crustiin immoo basalt irraa uumama. Question number 2. Of the following, which one is alpine cold resistant plant? A. Bamboo forest, B. Mountain grassland, C. Asta, D. Ced. Biqilaan naannoo diilallaa'aa dandamachuu danda'u isa kami? Caa yoo jettan deebiin keessan sirriidha. Asxaa fi gibeeraan biqiloota naannoon 3,000 fi isaa olii baddaa fi badda diilallaatti qoodamu waan ta'eef qilleensa diilallaa'aa kan dandamachuu danda'u asxaa fi gibeeraa akkasumas mukeewwan baddaatii jechuudha. Question number 3. The following events are the result of endogenetic forces except A. Folding, B. Earthquake, C. Faulting, D. Denudation. Barattoota, denudation jechuun sigigaachoo lafaa jechuudha. Folding jechuun immoo sababoota humnoota keessa lafaarraa kan ka'e dhiita'uu lafaa yookiin uumamuu gaarreeniidhaaf sababa kan ta'udha. Earthquake'n hollannaa lafaatii innis keessa lafaarraa ka'a. Faulting caccabuu fi babbaqaquu dhagaalee qaama lafaa keessa jiraniiti. Innis keessa lafaarraa ka'a. Denudation garuu irra lafaarraa ta'a jechuudha. Question number 4. The point at which the earthquake originates is called A. Seismograph, B. Focus, C. Epicenter, D. Shakewaves. Focus is a point at which the earthquake began or started. So the answer is B. Question number 5. One of the following events took place in Ethiopia during Cenozoic era. A. The uplifting of Ethiopian landmass. B. The sea starts to retreat towards the south. C. Many mountain ranges began to form. D. The sea invaded the land from the south towards north. Good. Students, during the Mesozoic era, uplifting of Ethiopian land mass began takes place. The sea starts to regress towards the south. The sea invaded land from the south towards north. But during the Cenozoic era, huge mountains and the mountain ranges began to form. So the answer is C. Question number 6. Of major soils of Africa, a soil without a layer of accumulated calcium carbonate is Gosa biyyeewwan Afrikaa keessaa biyyeen kaalsiyeem kaarboneetii baay'inaan qabaatu isa kami? ከአፍሪካ የአፈር አይነቶች በካልሲየም ካርቦኔት ክምችት የሚታወቀው የቱ ነው? ኤ ፔዳርፎርስ፣ ቢ ሃይድሮሞርፊክ፣ ሲ ፔዶካርስ፣ ዲ አዞናል። ስቱደንትስ which one is the correct answer? የትኛው ትክክለኛ መልስ ይሆናል? ዴቢ ስሪ ከንተውከን Good. Pedalfords are in Africa known with having the accumulated calcium carbonates. Question number 7. Which type of earthquake waves are fast and push-pull waves? A. Sea waves, B. Surface waves, C. Body waves, D. Relay waves. Body wave is an earthquake wave which is known with fast and push-pull waves. So the answer is C. Question number 8. About 80% of the energy released from earthquakes come from the belt called annisaan parsantii 80 ta'u naannoo erzikeekititti gadhiifamu kan inni dhufu A. Circum-Pacific, B. Rift Valley of East Africa, C. The Ring of Fire, D. and B. 80% የሚሆነው ኤነርጂ በኤርዝኬክ ጊዜ የሚከሰተው ከየት ነው? ተማሪዎች ጥቂት ሰከንዶችን ልስጣችሁና መልሳችሁን ሞክሩ። በረቶት ሰከንዲ ሙራዛ ስኒፍ ከና ዴቢ keessa yaala. Baay'ee gaarii. Circum-Pacific is known with the release of 80% of energy during earthquake. Question number 9. Of the following types of volcanoes, which one flows over wide areas? Dho'insa volkaanoo armaan gaditti eeraman keessaa isa kamtu naannoo bal'aa irratti mul'achuu danda'a? ከዚህ በታች ከተዘረዘሩት የእሳተ ገሞራ ፍንዳታ የትኛው ሰፊ ኤሪያን ይሸፍናል? ኤ ስትራቶቮልካኖስ፣ ቢ ሼልካንስ፣ ሲ ሲንደር ቮልካኖስ፣ ዲ ክራተር። ስቱደንትስ which one is the correct answer? ዴቢ ስሪን ከሚ ትክክለኛው መልስ የትኛው ነው? ተማሪዎች ዴቢን ኬሰኒ ማሬ ሼድ ኮንሲታ B is the answer. Question number 10. Blank is changes in the shape of the Earth's orbit. A. Precession, B. Obliquity, C. Eccentricity, D. Wobbling. Baratot deebii kan ta'u isa kan. So let me give you 2 seconds. Good. Eccentricity is changes in the shape of Earth's orbit. Let's see. Question number 11. When does anticipatory climate change adaptation takes place? A. Before impacts become apparent, B. After impacts passed away, C. During an immediate impact occurred, D. After the initial impacts occurred. The answer is A. Before impacts became apparent. milkaina hawwina. The anticipatory climate change adaptation takes place. Question number 12. The main and mandatory target of Kyoto Protocol is A. Increase fuel use cars, B. Use of coal, C. reduce greenhouse gases, D. increase haze. Kaayyoon bu'uuraa Kyoto Protocol ማሊ? የኪዮቶ ፕሮቶኮል ዓላማ ምንድን ነው? Decreasing the greenhouse gas is the major goal of or target of Kyoto Protocol on environmental climate change. Question number 13. Deserts are located on the western margins of the continents except A. Colorado Desert, B. Australian Desert, C. Sahara Desert, D. Atacama Desert. Gammoojjiiwwan hundumtuu naannoo qarqara sarara lixaa biyyootaa irratti argamu tokkorraa kan hafe በረሃዎች ሁሉ በአህጉራት ምዕራብ ጫፍ አካባቢ ላይ ይገኛሉ ከአንዱ በስተቀር። የትኛው ነው? Good. Sahara Desert is found to the northern Africa. So the answer is C. Question number 14. Which of the following is not a process of chemical weathering? A. Carbonation, B. Exfoliation, C. Oxidation, D. Solution. Bu'aa chemical weathering kan hin taane kami? የኬሚካል ዌዘሪንግ ውጤት ያልሆነው የቱ ነው? The answer is exfoliation. ቁቁንጫው yookiin fofottaquu dhagaalee sababa physical weathering kanneen akka aduu yookiin temperature alarraa itti jijjiiramuutiin jechuudha. የቴምፕሬቸር የሙቀት መጠን መለዋወጥ አለቶችን እንዲሸራረፉ እንዲፈረካከሱ የሚያደርግበት ሂደት exfoliation ይባላል። The others are the chemical weathering. So the answer is B. Question number 15. Demand-induced resource scarcity arises when A. different groups face unequal resources, B. demand for a specific resource increase and cannot meet by the existing supply, C. environmental degradation breaks down the delivery, D. all. Which one is the answer? When the demand for a specific resource increases and cannot meet by the existing supply, demand-induced scarcity takes place. So the answer is B. Question number 16. Which of the following combination is incorrect about traditional conflict resolution by clan leaders to solve disputes? A. Tir of Somali, B. Mada of Afar, C. Gada of Oromo, D. Tir of Gedo. So the incorrect combination is Tir of Gedo, but the others are correct. Question number 17. Desert areas have cold nights and hot days. This is because of blank. A. Clear sky, B. snow cover, C. cloud cover, D. vegetation cover. Naannoon gammoojjii halkan qorraa guyyaa ho'aa qabaata. Kuni sababni isaa so the desert becomes warmer during the day and colder during the night is due to the clear sky. The answer is A. Question number 18. The systematic theft of corruption at a grand scale by high public official is called A. kleptocracy, B. embezzlement, C. bribery, D. patronage. Kleptocracy is a systematic theft of corruption at a grand scale by high public officials. So the answer is A. Question number 19. Which of the following one is wrong about the environmental education? Waa'ee barnoota dhimma naannoo irratti ilaallatee dogoggora kan ta'e kami? A. It is lifelong learning. B. It is interdisciplinary. C. It has no benefit. D. It is about critical thinking and participation. So the incorrect one is C. Environmental education has benefits, but it says no benefits. Question number 20. Which of the following measures is unadvisable to fight climate change? A. Reduce greenhouse gas emissions. B. Embrace renewable energy. C. Burning and use fossil fuels at a home. D. Generating geothermal energy. Which one is the correct answer, students? Burning and use fossil fuels at home is the incorrect one. Cilee bobeessuu kan jedhu sirrii miti jechuudha. Question number 21. Of the following pairs, one indicates the customary law of Afar. Which one is it? Barattoota. Indigenous conflict resolution mechanismiin Madaa, Tiir, Gadaa akka jedhaman beekna. Asitti garuu bifa haaraadhaan akkamitti gaafate customer law jedhee gaafate. Customer law'n Somaalii Ogaaz jedhama. Customer law'n Booranaa Abbaa Gadaa jedhama. Customer law'n Affaar maal jedhama? Keedoo Abbaa jedhama. So the answer is C. Chaanalii keessan Geo Lesson 17 Tube waan daawwattaniif galatoomaa. Geo Lesson 17 Tube chaanalaachun sila gobanyaachuu አመሰግናለሁ. Geo Lesson 17 Tube chaanalii milkoomina egeree dhalootaaf dhimmu